Good morning. What's happening? Good morning, everyone. Tron was the first one. Well, we have giveaway in the afternoon in New York session, so we'll see. Penny, hello from Canada. It's midnight. Oh, awesome. Oh, well, 8 hours difference. Wow. Trader to be, good morning. Red, what's up? Good morning. Bullish Bear, good morning. Tony Gold, Grand Rising Futures is a blessing. Yeah, hopefully, sometimes at least. Dilzik, good morning. Farhad, welcome. And Mike Donovan is here. Good morning, Mike. All right. Let's see what's happening this morning. We have some levels here. I mean, I already pointed out some levels on my chart. We have a small new day opening gap, which has been rebalanced, but it's still acting up as possible support and resistance area. But yeah, NQ so far. I mean, look at this. After the open yesterday, what a swing. Like going down, boom, doing this. What a move. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Interesting. Slim Trady, good morning. Yono, good day to you too. Herschel, welcome. Ariane, good morning. Maggie, good to see you again. Sapham, hey there. Welcome everybody. Okay, well, believe it or not, I'm fooling around on one of my evaluation accounts. So I already have 2 trades on, only small positions. I have a short on NQ and I have a long on gold. Where is it? Okay, this is my gold trade. It's a small long position, nothing serious. And the other one is a short on NQ. Right now I'm targeting the new day opening gap down there, and right now I'm just going to reduce my stop. And yeah, these are the 2 trades I'm having. Hopefully it will go down for that, at least to tag into that new day opening gap. Actually, you know what? All right. There you go. I took some partials because anything can happen. So at least it's at break even. All right. It's the break even. Gold is still hovering here. Oh, nothing special. What's the best prop firm? I don't know, because all the prop firms are a scam. So my favorite is still MyFundedFutures, and I like Top Step more and more. I mean, not Top Step, Take ProfiTrade. Top Step is very good, is what I wanted to say. So these are real big ones. Most likely Top Step, MyFundedFutures, Take ProfiTrader. But you know, which one is the best? I have no idea. Every prop firm is a little bit different. Lots of news through the session. Yeah. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you, Naomi. The biggest troll on YouTube is live. I am. Nice catch. Hey, good morning, Jalma. Everything's cool. Just a slow London session, that's all. I mean, who knows? It was surprising how price was moving during the Asia session. Look at this move. Boom. Oops. I mean, what a move here during Asia. 7 money bag, yo. What's up? Anyway, I took some partials from this one, and my gold trade doesn't look good, so I might close it. Actually, let me look at the gold here. Gold trade, gold trade. Oh, it looks bad. Oh, I have to close it. Too late. It's done. Okay. Got stopped out from the gold trade. It is what it is. Okay, gold trade got stopped out here. Small position. All right, this one so far okay. Evaluation account only today. Yeah, London is going to be slow, and I am not going to trade any on my funded accounts today. So only evaluation accounts. Markets are closed in the US right now. I mean, today, New York session. Is it a bank holiday as well again? Or it doesn't seem like there's a bank holiday. Okay, so we might have some movement, but I don't think there's going to be too much. No, okay. Okay, so maybe the New York Open will bring us something. Anyway, we have a new day opening gap, which is acting as possible support and resistance area. I was thinking that maybe price wants to take out the swing low at 88. That's why my TP is that at that area. And yeah, at 89 actually. I'm looking for the swing low. It's not even rebalanced completely, so we have a chance that this is gonna take it out. Partial day, close early again. Okay, nice. So we might have some volume in the New York Open, but I'm not expecting anything special in London, especially after the move in Asia session. So all right. But I'll be watching gold. Maybe gold will do something today. Come on, take out the swing low. There's also an unbalanced. Okay, there you go. Unbalanced price at, yeah, right here. So we needed the down close candle at this level. At least we got it. All right, took this liquidity down there. Okay, that's a 5-minute gap up there, just saying. 5-minute CB. All right, what else? I have to look at the 1-hour chart too. You know, I'm still looking at this level. I showed you this yesterday. Oops. This right there. The high is at 971. So that's what I think it should go. Maybe not today, maybe next week, but that is what I think. That could be happening. It took liquidity. It's repricing this level now. And I'm looking for a possible reversal to go long again. And basically that's it. I'm looking for that level. So looking for reversals. It has rebalanced now, this price. Okay, nothing major. Okay, it could go. I was just looking at the mini. All right. I think it can go. Well, slow day. We might gonna have a slow day. At least a slow London session. How far can it go down? How far? This was yesterday's first London gap. And this was yesterday's first New York gap. Yeah, let's... No, that's not it. That's not it. Sorry. That was before yesterday. Let me get this off. This was the one down there. No, that's the London. Come on. Which one was it? I need to find it. Maybe that. I need to find the first fair value gap after 9:30 yesterday. Okay, this is it. That's it. You just made 100 fading me on gold because I was short on NQ. Let's see. All right, so this is the first. New York Open. 1 minute. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay. Yeah, that's the first gap. Okay. Let's see how it's going to react. Because it's just right there currently. And we have technically an Asia low right there at previous day low. Asia low right here. And of course Asia high. Okay, so this is it. And that's a 5-minute CB up there, which we're gonna put right there. These are the levels that I'm looking for. And I'm gonna be a little bit bearish for the rest of the day. All right, what's going on with gold? Gold dip down, nothing special. NQ is down there. Okay, nothing special. All is good. All is well. Is this gonna go through? It's trying. Admirals, hey there. Like the long at 867. Yeah, good area down there. It's a nice entry. And big gap for Friday. Yeah, that's true. That's a good entry point there. No, I don't trade euro dollar, Sopham. I traded euro dollar last time, last year, 23, maybe, or late 2022. I traded euro dollar. Even when I traded Forex, I didn't really trade euro dollar because it was moving slowly to me. And many times in the London session, it was just so slow to me that it was slow. So I was trading, when I was trading Forex, I was trading pound, dollar, and gold on CFDs. But mostly pound, dollar, and sometimes pound, yen. Euro was a little bit slow, at least for me. Oh, wow, look at this. Crude is dumping. What happened? Could be some news. Okay, NQ is dropping alongside. Yeah, gold is picking up a little bit. Where can this one go? What is this gap over there? That's yesterday's first London gap. Okay. Could be interesting. And it's just going. Look at this. You know what? If it goes back into that fair value gap up there and it reverses down again, might be a good idea to take a short, right? You know, it seems like then it wants to go definitely below the 860s. All right, I'll be looking at this area. Okay. Possible. 840. Yeah, I can imagine that. 840 level is happening. Typical pullback on GC before long run. I still don't know what GC is doing. I mean GC is, you know, it's doing a lot of dirty moves, I think. I mean, not just now, but I mean always. Gold likes to play tricky. I'm actually a little bit tempted to take a short on this. You know. All right, enter the short. Small position, risking about 80 bucks evaluation. But if I win, I make about 160. But this is not an A+ setup. I'm just actually looking for a continuation down. And actually we have that level from London yesterday. Yeah, down below 60. My TP is at 61.50. Yeah. If it would drop, that would be amazing. GC is a scam. Yes. I'm not sure if it's a nice short yet, but I see some possible targets down there still. So we'll see. If it breaks below this low, I might. Should I? I might move my stop, but who knows? That's not looking good. Alex, good morning. Actually, well, thank you. It's a small position and only evaluation accounts today. So that's why I'm a little bit more. I mean, I'm doing crazy moves here, but it doesn't look that good. It doesn't look that good right now. Still waiting for some move on gold as well, but we'll see. How's everybody? How are you doing, Alex? How's everybody this morning? I was hoping that this one wants to go down, especially from this London gap from yesterday. This is just gonna act as a possible resistance now, but it seems like not. I don't like it. Well, I'm not a good risk manager. I'm definitely not. All good. That's great. Great, Alex. I'm not a good risk manager. I'm far being good. Yeah, the health is the most important. Exactly. Health, family, and time. These are the most important things in life. Health, family or friends, whichever. Health, family, good friends, and time. We don't celebrate it here, but I wished everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and I still wish. Or you guys mad you didn't take the boat? I'm a little bit mad that my ancestors they didn't, had the balls to, take the boat and go to the new world. $35 resets. Oh, that's good. Money only. Money works. Oh, yeah. I mean, as the saying, money won't make you happy. Well, I agree. Money is not going to make you happy, but let me adjust this a little bit. Money won't make you happy, but you can buy a lot of stuff with money that is going to help you to reach happiness in a much faster and easier way. So yeah. Point man, what up? Yeah, sure. I passed several qualification accounts Bulenox. Do I have to pay immediately when I apply for the master account? So if you pass the qualification, you have to request manually, right? So for example, if you pass the qualification in a few days and you still have like 3 weeks for the next rebill, right? Because the qualification account or evaluation account is going to get rebilled every month. So unless you're not asking Bulenox to activate it, you still have like weeks, 2 or 3 weeks at least, until the next cycle, right? So that's adding extra time to your waiting. So for example, by some reason you don't want to pay yet for the activation, you can still wait until you're going to get rebilled for the next month. Okay, that's one thing. But if you already asked and they provided you a payment link, usually that lasts for a week. I asked support last time, and I mean this year in February, and they said it's active for a week. But if there's some glitch or issue that you can't pay it, you can ask support to extend the activation link, and they're going to extend it to you with an extra 2 weeks. So that makes it around 3 weeks to pay for the activation, but you have to send the support ticket to extend the activation link, and they're going to do it for you. That's it. So overall, 2 or 3 weeks from the evaluation, if you passed it, I mean, if you YOLO'd it or whatever, and you can add an extra maximum 3 weeks for the activation, so you have time. First money, then strippers, then fast cars. Okay. Oil is falling. Yeah, I was watching that. So many were on Titanic and didn't make it, so depends. That's true, Naomi. That's true. Disagree with that one, Joalma says. Okay. Money is a tool to make life easier. Greetings. Hey, Spy Girl. Good to see you back. Happy Friday to you too. I think money will make life easier and more comfy, but it definitely won't make you happier. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Money is not going to make you happier. Money is going to help me buy all the things that is going to make it easier to reach happiness, For example, if I can provide a home for my family, or if I can help my family or friends or whatever, or my spouse, or everything together, then obviously we're gonna feel quote unquote happier, and it would be easier to reach happiness. But I get it. Yeah, so if I buy a supercar on the first day, it's gonna make me happy for a few days. I'm 100% sure. So if I would win the lottery, of course I would buy a lot of unnecessary stuff too. But I know myself that if I would buy a supercar, it would be very funny. I mean, it would be great experience. But after a few days or just a few weeks, I think that supercar would not make me happy at all. I mean, yeah, for a few days it would be awesome to drive it, and yeah, but that's it. I know myself enough to know that. So that's true. In that meaning, that wouldn't make me happy, just for a very short time. Yeah, no problem, Point Man. Bigger portfolio. Yeah. Good morning, Dario. Yeah, Naomi is always here. I'm happy for the girl power in the stream. Just trade Asia and then try to stay away. Yeah, by the way, Asia sessions to, I mean, in the past couple of weeks, not so bad at all. Actually, quite some moves. Did you know that 70% of lottery winners end up? Oh yeah. I know. Unhappy. I actually know in person a family who in 2000 it was long time ago, in 2007 or 2008 they win the lottery here in Hungary. I personally know them, and they won the lottery like 18 years ago, 17 years ago, and I met with them, and they lost everything in a few years. In a few years, everything. They lost everything. They bought a house. They bought supercar. I mean, not supercars, but expensive luxury cars. They gave money to all their friends, and everybody was coming for money. So the typical story, you know. They gave away everything. They bought everything, and they sold everything as the money started to go away. So they had a few good years, like 2 or 3 good years, and all the money gone. And now right now they're actually living in worse conditions than before, and they won the lottery. So yeah, definitely not. Yeah, I agree, Dad. I agree, Jalma. I agree. How do you feel about Bulenox not allowing to copy trade? Well, I'm still going to trade with them. I have funded accounts, but since I was talking about this, Sophie, that I also not going to copy trade all my funded accounts together. So I'm going to divide my funded accounts into maximum groups of 2 or 3 accounts. So worst case scenario, I'm just going to copy trade in between my Bulenox accounts, and that's it. But somebody also told me, and I don't know anything about this stuff, that for example with Quantower, or I don't know the different copiers, but there is no magic number or ID or anything that indicates on Rhythmic Trader if someone is copy trading. So Bulenox technically has nothing to check if their accounts have been copy traded, because the software is not leaving any trace on Rhythmic Trader. That's what I've been told, but it's not confirmed, so I don't know anything about this. So I'm just really curious, how does Bulenox know if the accounts have been copy traded? Because the software is not leaving any trace when opening and closing positions or putting on limit orders. So no, I don't know how they do it. I have really no idea. So we'll see, I guess. But anyway, I was going to Venmo you 50K. What? Yeah, okay. It's not gonna make me. You know what? 50K is actually in Vietnam now for a few months. How are you? Oh yeah, you're in Vietnam. Nice. Oh yeah. Still working accounts slowly. Especially trade funded. Yeah, those accounts have to be traded slowly. I'm scared about that Bulenox thing, man. I'm not scared. I mean, which part are you scared? They will use that to excuse to deny payouts. I guess it can be in the cards. By the way, and since we're always talking about why not, we're talking about prop firms. regardless of which prop firm are we talking about, it can be even Top Step. There are payout denials everywhere. I know Top Step also denied payouts, but not because of course, not because of flipping or stuff like that. Top Step denied payouts because some people were having multiple accounts at the same household. That's what I know. And someone was operating a copy trading service in Top Step. So that these are the ones that I know. But anyway, more and more prop firms are going to be, let's just say, trying to protect the money that they earn by making the rules a little bit harder, I think. Anyway. So yeah, Camille, it's interesting. I got 2 funded on Bulenox and 2 Apex, but I don't want to fuck it up by copy trade. Well, you can, just copy trade in between, trade them separately, Copy trade only the Bulenox accounts. It does give a sign on the main platform that there is no leading account. Oh, and it gives a sign. Someone told me that there is okay, interesting. Someone told me that there is nothing that indicates that it was copy traded. 600 away from payout. Nice. Take it slowly. That's how I blew my ProfiTrade account last time. I was $600 away. And yeah, use Replicant to wonder if yeah, I don't know. I don't know if Replicant or the Quant Tower is leaving some traces of copy trading. I don't know. Yeah, they lost it all. Yeah, they lost all the money. And not just lost, like they sold their cars, they sold the nice house that they bought from the money. And they are now in debt, and they're living in worse conditions than before. And of course, every friend and family who were asking money from them, everybody just vanished like tears in the rain. So is it correct that we can't trade our Bulenox accounts today because of Thanksgiving? I haven't noticed anything about that, but there was a notice on Bulenox about limited trading hours. So, but I'm not going to trade Bulenox today anyways, because I'm just gonna fool around on some evaluation accounts. But that's a good question. Can trade Ninja. Oh yeah, the drama is real. And 5 accounts and I make the same money with the same exit same time. Yeah, that's something. Yeah, something like, yeah, that's what it means. Subham, yeah. Look at that. It was so good until it's not looking so good. I was almost at profit. Dang it. Oh man. What happened to Bulenox? Bulenox is restricting traders to copy trade between other prop firms and Bulenox, vice versa. So no copying from Bulenox to other prop firms and other prop firms to Bulenox. That's one thing. And they implemented the flipping rule and average position sizing rule. Brand new stuff in the master account agreement. So flipping rule, average contract sizing, so no full porting, and then so you go full port and then just go down to 2 micros, and that's something they going to watch for. And no copy trading, only in between Bulenox accounts. That's the only thing they allow. These are the main things. That has a list of all the traders and their positions and accounts traded at once and positions. Oh, wow. That's nasty. Oh yeah, NinjaTrader Web. Completely forgot that there's a NinjaTrader Web and you can use it on Mac as well. I'm not sure how fast is it or how much is it reliable, but there is a NinjaTrader Web. Yes. If you keep a low profile and don't make too much, they won't complain. Yeah, maybe. So I was telling that to you guys. So I don't want to build up my capital on a simulated funded account. I mean, we've seen so many negative things about this. So I am not going to build $10,000 on my 50,000 simulated funded accounts. I am not. As soon as I reach $1,000 or $2,000, I'm just going to request a payout. That's it. And continue. So I'm not going to build up $10,000 or, just build up capital. It's all on simulated account. And we've seen more and more issues, regardless, again, which prop firm. We've seen these issues coming out, like with some excuse, the prop firm is going to find some excuse that they don't want to pay out that $10,000 or whatever. So if I just make 1,000 or 2,000, I'm just gonna, request it, fly under the radar, and just fly low, and I'm gonna rotate these accounts and request 1,000, 2,000, and that's how I want to do it. Damn it, this trade. It was looking so good. Morning, Stealth. How's it going? Taking day off, trading any Black Friday sales. Well, it's a good. I mean, there are some sales going on. Bulenox is still down 91%, Tradeify 45%, Tick Trader 45. They usually go with 40. So yeah, some good sales are going on. They might check it. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah, every prop firm is changing now. I don't know why, if they want to adopt to the new rules or regulations, or because of the competition, or because they are losing money. It can be all. So I'm guessing because of the new prop firms popping up everywhere, every week. These prop firms are not making that much money nowadays. So I'm definitely sure that they are not making as much money as a year before. They're making still a lot of money, but not as much as before because of the competition. So that's why the new rules. And I guess this was something that could have been, it was coming. So 1,000 a week on 5 accounts. Yeah, something like that, John. Yeah, that's crazy. Every rule of prop firm, you think even they... Yes, of course they can do it. So it's in the contracts. It's in the fine print. Read the fine print on the master account or funded account agreement, because I always read it. Every prop firm, almost the same lines. I'm wondering if they were copying the agreement from each other. Almost the same exact lines. The prop firm can actually deny a payout anytime without any explanation. It's in their right to even deny on the simulated funded accounts any kind of payout. So they don't even have to explain themselves. They don't owe you an explanation. They just say, okay, we're not going to pay you out. You're too good. We're not paying. That's it. So it's in the agreement. Just read it. Read it. It's in the Apex, it's in the Bulenox, it's at MyFundedFutures, everywhere. Everywhere. The same line. The stream just died. Oh, it's random. It's the market makers, you know. It's the market makers. Oh man, I don't like this. This price action is just so bad. So I can trade now with Mac on Quant Tower. Ninja Trader. If there is, so Ninja Trader, I think Ninja Trader Web can also connect to Rhythmic servers. Not sure, haven't tried it, but I know that many people were saying like they can't use XYZ prop firm because they cannot download Ninja Trader, but there's a Ninja Trader Web. Flipping not allowed because there are some individuals or groups of people, or who knows who they are, who are actually full porting a few accounts, and for the rest of the weeks or days they just have an algorithm that is flipping the accounts for a few dollars per day to have the minimum trading days and to flip the account until the rest of the profits reaching the consistency rule. And it is just basically abusing the simulated accounts. So TopStep has a flipping rule. I told you guys, TopStep has a flipping rule since years now. You can call it whatever you want. The 200 plus days, so the 5 days above $200 is actually the flipping rule with TopStep. So Anti-web is TradeAwait, but there is a separate website, right? Like only says Ninja Trader Web. Hate the game. Yeah. Making 10K one day and then 200 until you can ask payout. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Something like that. Everything is a scam. You know, everything. This coffee mug is a scam too. You know, my phone is a scam. I have paper tissue here. This is a scam too. I have an envelope here. This is a scam too. So even my pen, that's a scam too. Oh no!
And it's gone.
And it's gone. Okay. Yeah, I was in a short. Didn't go through. Oh man. Okay. Okay. 887. Might go up there to the 97 now. Interesting area. Back to a 5-minute gap here. Not sure how far it will go. We have the macro soon. So minimum trading days is that those are the minimum trading days that has to be taken in between payouts, you know. Depending on which prop firm, they have different rules for those days. But yeah, those are the minimum trading days. We have the macro in about 22 seconds. Interesting. Interesting. So I was in a trade, but I'm out. That's right. Yeah. It's gone. All right, we have macro right now. I mean, it can still go down. This is a 5-minute gap right here. We have a flat candle up there. Not sure if it wants to go for it. Anyway, it was a nice trade, but it is what it is. It's alright, Spy Girl. It happens. It's alright. It's only evaluation accounts, so I'm not touching my funded accounts today. No way. I'm trading on my Take Profit Trader accounts and trying to get that funded. I mean, I was targeting yesterday's London gap and this swing low at 860. You know, it beautifully reversed. I mean, not reversed, but went through this gap and continued lower. I thought that this is going to finish the move below 860. It's not. So right now, we're just waiting. Hey, you will win. I'm from Hungary, Central Europe, you know. Hungarian. Actually, I'm still doing the weight loss experiment, and I lost 3 kilograms. 3 kilograms. So that's an extremely good result for me. And I'm counting calories and I'm taking walks. And in 2 weeks, I lost 3 kilograms. We might see a bump up today. Yeah, we could see. Actually, I told you guys at the start of the stream that overall, this is where I think the drawn liquidity is in the big picture. This is the 1 hour chart. We have the swing low. I thought that this is going to go a little bit lower here. That's why I took the short. But in the long run or the big picture, it could be next week. I think we could go up to the 971. So to take out this very shorter block to the left from Wednesday. That's what I'm actually hoping. We're in this 5-minute gap. 5-minute CB. And we have, yeah, 5-minute CB. So we'll see. Tech is more in NQ than about $65 NQ. Yes, hold less of that, more mixed. That's true. That's true. New day opening gap so far acting as a possible rally point for price. Look at how it reacted. Returned and then go down. Went through it, acting as support, then went up there, busted through. Now we're back, so it could be acting as possible support area. Maybe it can pick up some liquidity and continue higher. Oh, here it is. All right. It's a little bit weird. Small little 5-minute gap here. Could this be a possible long opportunity? Very small gap on the 5-minute. Now repriced it. It actually broke structure to the upside. We have London open in less than 5 minutes. I don't know. It can actually go to up to 914. Man, I need to sleep more. Basically, I eat everything, Spy Girl, because it worked for me before. I mean, not now, but years ago, I did the same thing and it worked. I eat everything, but I count the calories. So, to be in a calorie deficit, I need to be at least 500 calories in the negative, according to my minimum requirement. So, according to my age, height, and weight, and everything, I need to have at least 23 or 2400 calories a day. And so if I stay below 1900 or 1800, that should be enough to slowly, very slowly lose weight. Now what I'm doing is I'm keeping myself under 1600 calories a day. And I'm not saying I mean I even ate chocolate the other day. It was like 200 calories, a small chocolate, and I just count. That's it. I count the calories and that's it. That is it. What's it doing now? What's it doing now? I thought that it might gonna go once more. We'll see. Very steady today. I haven't seen him. As that thing sells, that been sign for now. It's kind of okay to still hold longs. Oh, well, I haven't dived. Oh, yeah. HYG. I haven't looked into those stuff, to be honest. Cut the sugar. Yeah, I'm not eating sugar. Just saying. One day I ate a small chocolate in the past 2 weeks, but I'm not eating any sugar, basically. No sugar. Lots of protein, and you'll always be lean because you'll feel full. Oh, that's a good idea. That is actually a good idea. All right. Almost at London Open. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. 5-minute gap so far reversed the price, but anyway, we'll see. It can go way up. You know, just take some highs. All right, small reaction there. All right, nothing special. Nothing special so far. 97, 97. It could go to 97, right? Yeah, a bit of a London spike here. If it goes up, it has to go through the 900s again. You know, what's the level here? That flat candle has a 97.75 up there. So not sure. It's a little bit scary, to be honest. And there is a 5-minute gap right up there. Could go for it. Let's see. Okay. And this was the first fair value gap for this London session. I'm gonna mark this up right here. I mean, we have to wait until it closes. But there are some good levels up there. In case if it wants to go up. Oh, this is not gonna be good. Few more seconds. Okay, so this is it. I don't know. Trying to figure out, but I don't seem to get the hang of this right now. Oh, just a second. Let me read the chat. Doing great. Got all the sugars and carbs like rice, chips, and pasta completely. Eat protein. Oh, yeah. That will fast track. Thank you. Yeah, I'm trying to do that. Yeah. Waiting for Black Friday sale. They might come up with something, hopefully. There's no update yet. Have you tried keto and fasting? Not keto, but as for fasting, I'm still not there yet, but I might try it. Then you came back. Oh. Yeah, I have to change the lifestyle completely. Yeah, I know. Bananas are good food to lose weight and not be hungry. Yeah, I have banana. I bought some. It actually helps me to reduce my hunger. Hey, Greg. 914, 918. Yeah, could be the place where it wants to go. But I'm also looking for maybe a possible reversal if it happens. Not sure. Not sure if it does. Sarah, hey there. Good morning. Keto. Not keto, keto. Okay. I don't know exactly, by the way. But yeah. Okay, I have to look at some levels here and delete some levels because so many stuff is disturbing here. I have a 5-minute gap up there at 14. I'm just gonna wait. No reaction yet that I like. If there would be maybe a retrace to the first fair value gap here, that would be great. And then continuing higher, you know, that would be awesome. So, but of course it can just, you know, go right up there. Keto is the best. Yeah, I heard a lot of people talking about that. So I'm gonna look into it. Gold is going sideways. Nothing special for now. NQ is not going too much below the 900 now to pick up some levels, or sorry, orders. So nothing on the 5. Feels like it just wants to go into that gap real quick. Like real quick. And now it feels like it might want to go down and pick up some orders, as it should. From this gap. Gotta wait this out. What's it gonna be first? And we have no news, no major news in London right now. So Okay, let's wait this out. Gold is dropping a little bit. Not too much, just grinding lower. Hey Sabash, what indicator is that for? Oh, this is called power of 3. So if you search for it, it's called power of 3. HTF power of 3, yeah. From 2 degrees, it has 10k users. So that's what it's called. If you click on it, make sure if you want to use it as a daily, I use the New York Midnight as my daily level. So New York Midnight is what I use. Dex is pulling back. Good morning, Paul. Mihails, good morning. What's going on? What's going on? Little bit of a pullback. I'm gonna be waiting to see how it reacts to this fair value gap right there. I think it wants to go for it, but who knows? And in this gap, I'm gonna be curious about the reaction. No problem. DEX is a scam. Is the scam? Yeah. DEX is definitely. Actually, I would trade DEX maybe. All right, a little bit of a push here, not too much. Not too much. Okay, we're back into this gap, and this is where I want to see some sort of a reaction. It might just gonna trade through it, and you know, it can turn into a possible sell and going down into this gap down there or below the 860s. Picked up some liquidity here. Could turn into a bearish setup. The Elzazinga, hey there, good morning. Will you be trading funded accounts? No, only evaluations today. Only evals. No funded. All right, let's look at this. We are technically back to the new day opening gap, and we just traded through this London first gap. So let me see. 6, 10. Yeah, I could go to down there. It's coming back into that 1 minute gap right now. Even Zusi is a scam. Yeah. Yeah. No special entry yet. Not moving. Return to the gap, and we're not moving. Hey Mo, you're not late. You're not late. Still waiting for a possible setup here. Hey, Trades by FIFO, what up? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I wonder what's it gonna do in this first gap here. Is it going to push it up there to the 914, or is it going to take some liquidity below the 70s? Not sure. But looks interesting. A little bit feels like after that previous 1 minute candle that it's inverting the London candle, sorry, fair value gap, the first one. Not sure. Not sure. Oh, Peter, hey there, Peter, good to see you. I'm sorry I didn't reply to your email. I received it, but I honestly forgot to reply to you. I sent an email to ProfiTrade, and because their Telegram has been taken down, and I haven't received any response yet. But the answer to your question, I actually have your email opened up. So yeah, so on the Echo and the Boost accounts, there are no minimum trading days, but the career accounts, because it's a monitored account, in my understanding, there is a minimum 5 days. So they were not clear about that, that's for sure. But I haven't received a message yet. I forgot to reply to you. But Yokozuna, good morning. No special news. The only thing is that they took down their Telegram chat because last time the CEO said that there's so many FUD in the Telegram that they might decide to take it down, and they did. So, you know, what can we do? Too many FUD were in there, and that's it. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You know, too many toxic people were in there, and spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And so the CEO decided to take it down, at least temporarily. That's all we know currently. I checked their Rise wallet address yesterday, and they were paying out people. So they were paying out people Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday as well from their wallet. But that's all we had. Yeah, $50 winning days. Yeah. That's reasonable, I think. So I think that's a reasonable ask from them against flipping. I mean, I think it's on the 25K accounts, not sure, but still, it's good. Oh man, we're still here, just not moving. It's just not moving. What can we do, right? Maybe finally it will reverse this and goes back up there, you know, to the 914. Who knows? That would be great. It's trading through this this 1 minute gap maybe, but so far it's holding as possible resistance. Not sure how long, but yeah, it feels like it wants to go up there. What's the high here? The high up there before the gap is 12. Can it go to the 14? Just wondering. Let's see how it reacts. How far is that gap? 18 points. That's nothing for NQ if it wants to go there. So far, it seems like that. That this gap is acting now as possible support, maybe. But this candle is turning out to be maybe a bearish formation. Slow grind. I don't know. I can't understand this price action this morning. We're stuck here. Stuck in this range. If anyone has an idea of what's going on, I welcome it. We were talking about this 5-minute level up there at 914, but I'm just not sure that it wants to go there or not. And also feels like gold might want to go a little bit lower. Buy green candle, sell red candle. That's true. That's how simple it is. We're overcomplicating this. We are overcomplicating. Hey Tom, do you hold crypto? No. In one session, I would no. I mean shit coins. Yeah, I would for fun. For fun, I would buy some shit coins for a few dollars. And I'm not saying crypto is like a bad thing or anything. I mean, obviously, some people are making good money on it. And I'm not completely against crypto. For the fun, meme coins could be fun, or some shit coins. Who knows? Maybe some of those will pump someday. You never know. You never know. Gotta keep myself open-minded. But yeah, but I'm not. So I don't want to invest tens of thousands of dollars or anything like that into crypto. I don't even care if Bitcoin is going to go $500,000 next week. I don't care. I couldn't care less about Bitcoin. But yeah. I don't know what the heck is going on with price. We're just stuck here. We are still in the daily discount area. Just trying to go above 900, but it's holding. It's not really doing anything. In fact, yeah, it's not going anywhere. Closed bearish now. Oh, there you go. Night might go down. You know, drops like 2 points or 5 ticks. Oh my god, it's going down. No volume here. What if it wants to go down to those 70, 75, 74-ish levels? That's good. How does it feel to be full-time trader? Some time ago it was, oh yeah. Yeah, Smiley. It feels amazing, but I can always go back to the company that I worked for. I still help out my ex-colleagues because I was a contractor for an insurance company, and they always welcome me back. So, but it feels really good to be here. But I told this to you guys multiple times, and I hope I will change the trend that it couldn't be possible without affiliate commissions. I couldn't be here. So, and that's because of you guys supporting. Couldn't be possible without that. So, until I'm not constantly profitable, yes, I made a few payouts here and there, but it's still a journey. So, but it's a good thing. Yo, Toll Trader, what's up? Long time no see. Yeah, where have you been, man? Where have you been? Hey, Maxi, good to see you. Oh, thank you, Sarah. So it's still, but I'll show up every day as much as I can, and I share my thoughts. And actually, I owe you guys a video of how I'm doing with the funded accounts. I know that, and you know, payouts and everything. So I'll do that. Trading gold and GJ, nice. Yeah, Nasdaq these days is a little bit, you know, I don't even know what to think of Nasdaq these days. It's a bit slow. I think even the Asia session. Look at how beautiful was the Asia session, and now London session is just ugh. Seems like the Asia sessions are getting better nowadays. How's Bulenox? Yeah, they paid me all the time. I took like 6 or 7 payouts now. I don't even know, or 8. And they paid me always. Well, I guess there are more people that are more transparent than me, because obviously I haven't really talked too much about the numbers. I mean, I told you guys in the ballpark how much I made with affiliate commissions and how much I spent on activation fees and evaluation accounts, all that such. So that's why I'm gonna do that video. I'm gonna do like a summary for this year so far of how I'm doing, especially when things started to turn into a positive note in trading. Was this summer for me, and I think it was basically because of how I started to manage risk differently. So this summer, July, August, was the month that things started to change a little bit in a positive way. So that's, you know. Have you ever traded something else than NES? Yes, gold and pound dollar back in Forex, and gold. So that's why I'm trying to pick up gold again. Yeah. Wants to go for 935. It could. It could. There are some levels up there. But still no entry. Yeah. Well, since I'm trading futures last year, September, I'm mostly on 95% of the time I'm on NASDAQ. But as I said, I took a few trades this week on gold, small positions. Yes, I know. Gold can be a tricky one. Gold plays a lot of dirty games. Wow, 170 pips on gold. Whoa, or points, pips. There's pips there, right? That is great. Good job. I honestly don't know what the heck is going on with this price action right now. Could take some time. We have the macro in 10 minutes. Touch Bollinger's on daily, and off we go. Nice. Up 17% in a month. Wow. Toll Trader, that is amazing. 17% in a month. Congratulations. Thank you, by the way. Yeah, it's a journey, and unfortunately I'm the kind of person who is a slow learner, and I need to make the same mistake not just once but maybe twice or three times until my brain starts to register that, okay, this is a mistake, I shouldn't do it next time. So but hey, not giving up. Okay, what's happening here? What is happening here? It can go down now. Look at that. What if this one just starts to drop like crazy? You know, all the way. Who knows? Taking out that swing low. This was a nice sweep, and it bounced back off from that this 1 minute gap here. Bit of a slow grind, that's for sure. Pain is the greatest teacher, yeah. Model Legacy. Qualified for your first MyFunded. Let's go. 431 times 3. Congratulations, man. Nice. Dude, that is awesome. Congratulations. Let me give you an applause. Whoa. Nice job, Malo. Congrats. I mean, making profits in this chop fest here. That's why I was just waiting. Amro, hey there. Do you think there will be a Black Friday sale on prop firms? No information yet. I mean, the only thing that, for example, Tradeify has a 45% sale. Bulenox has it for 91% on the option 1 account. So nothing special right now. Apex didn't come out with any email or info. So nothing special yet. I'm doing this all with your system. Yeah, I remember. Oh, FTMO has a sale. Tradeify, 60%. Ah, totally forgot. Ladies and gents, Tradeify 60% off if you would like to support the channel. I don't have a custom code yet, but if you click on my link and enter the code Turkey, it's gonna give you the best discount and give some credit to the channel. Thank you. But yeah, so far these are the ones. Look at that, it traded back into this area. By the way, I have a Tradeify account. I should take a trade on that, but let me log into that, but because that's on TraderWeight. Okay. Let's log in. Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum. Yeah. A plus trader, how are you? I'm doing great. Just waiting for a position in this chop fest. Good to see you on the stream. How are you so far? What's happening? How's the trades? Session point of control is 888. Oh yeah, I can imagine that. And we have the new day opening gap. Look at how price is gravitating to this level. We might just go down below the 860 that we were watching earlier. Gold fair value gap might fill 2676. Oh, could. You're welcome, Malo. Enjoy, have a good night, and congratulations again. So good to see everybody. Good to see A plus trader back here, Malo, and everybody else dropping in. Market's hanging over the fence. Yeah, it's Thanksgiving. Yeah, obviously, I wasn't expecting like huge moves here, but we started with a very nice sell in the kill zone, and yeah, we just went back up there. That's why I thought that maybe we are going for that 914 level, but at this point, it's a hard read. Looks a little bit more bearish. So I don't know. T-Bond, what's up? That don't pay out or rug pull. We support and get scammed. Who? No, which one was rug pulling? FTT was rug pull, unfortunately. But we haven't promoted FTT after they were having the issues. I mean, I haven't promoted them. But ProfiTrade was still paying yesterday too, and it's still working. They just took off their Telegram. That's all there is. FTT was definitely a rock pool. Yeah, Greg. You've been doing well? Nice. Came back to Apex with 20 PA. Let's go. Awesome, A plus trader. Learning ICT method and was wondering where to start. Well, I would go into his YouTube and go with the core content. Core content is always good to learn, the basics, and after that, you can go into. You can start as well with the 2024 mentorship. So, yeah. Higher time frame context. Well, on the 1 hour, I said that we have the 971 as possible draw on liquidity. So 971 as possible draw on liquidity. You're welcome. Good morning, Rob, the Ghost Prod. What up? So that's in the big picture. I would like to stay bullish. So we'll see. Do you use this concept to a T, or did you make some? I would say just some very, very, very minor adjustments, but most likely I'm using his concepts. Well, I'm trying not to get the analysis paralysis. You know, I'm trying to keep it simple as much as I can. So I'm just looking for liquidity levels like fair value gaps, swing highs and lows, and looking for how the candles, how price is reacting to those levels. The name of the game is where is the draw on liquidity, right? So so I cannot really say that, okay, I'm just trading the order blocks or I'm just trading the fair value gaps. But, you know, sometimes I also get into this analysis paralysis because there's too many concepts, obviously, and I don't want to go with all the concepts. This is not my thing to do that. Just trying to keep it simple. NQ pump, let's go. Yeah, I think so too, by the way. I'd like to see NQ pump higher. This has so much picked up as much as it could down here. We have some levels at 914. I can see this go there. It's possible. Very much, I think. So even higher. I can expect this to go way up there. But we just need some hold on, I'm looking at some levels here. Oh, nothing special. And I'm also, by the way, as I said yesterday, I'm testing indicators too. I never said anything. I mean, I said, but there's nothing wrong with using indicators. So how do you determine whether a previous fair value gap will act like a supply zone or selling zone when price re-enters? Well, first I have to wait. I'll try to wait and look for candle formations and how the candles are printing. So for example, let me give you an example. It's not going to be the best example, but for example, this was the first fair value gap after London Open. This is the 1 minute chart, but it could be just a 5 minute or 15 minute, whatever. This is the fair value gap. I know it, so it's not, this part is not totally ICT thing, but as I said, I'm looking for how the market is reacting around these levels. We have a bullish engulfing candle. This one, the 316. I like that as a possible bullish sign to go long maybe. Okay, that's one thing. It picked up liquidity below this breakaway gap. Actually, it's not a breakaway since it's taken, but there's another fair value gap. This bullish engulfing candle at 316 took some more liquidity, and it could be a bullish sign, right? Depending on where you enter and where you put your stop. Also, this down here is my so-called morning star candle formation. Bearish candle, picking up some more liquidity, and then bullish candle. The problem is it didn't really trade it above this. It's a low probability, but also a bullish sign. So watching the candles, how they are reacting. And then if I see the price going, I could enter maybe a long position here. But it's, as I said, it's not the best example. So I'm looking how price is acting around these areas. But first of all, I think you have to anticipate where it might go. So in this case, I have this level at 914, which is a 5 minute fair value gap, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency up there. If I take a long from here, I'd like to anticipate that price will go up there and take that 914. Now I didn't take the trade because it was so slow. It was slow, the way the candles were printing. So this is when chart time comes into place. You know, what your feelings are telling you. It can also confuse you, but and we could talk about this for hours. So this is the point where some people are saying, and I agree, you might need some kind of mechanical approach or some kind of mechanical system that will tell you when not to enter and when to enter. If you see this reaction, so if I see this below the fair value gap, it's good, but we're below the gap, so I'm not trusting the bullish signal here too much. Anyway, depending on the timing of the market, where are we right now? We're in the macro right now. New hourly candle is coming, so anyway. ECB inflation expectation 7 minutes. Oh yeah, that could be interesting. 1 hour says short is here, so just wait the peaks and sell them cheap. Yeah. Of the week was Monday. I only look for shorts. We have like at least 80%. We picked the low this week. Could be. We could be looking for shorts. Obviously, if we look the 1 hour, we have some good levels down there. Fair value gap here. We have these wicks. You know, it would be awesome to see an elevator taking out all these levels. It definitely had a hard time getting up there. It went into the order block here, and now it's just having a bit of a hard time pushing it up. But I feel like now the drawn liquidity would be 914, by the way. Tom, here is 5 years old data. If the weekly candle is bearish, low of the week, Monday 3 times 3%. Oh, 11 times 10, Tuesday 5. Wow, 53%. Well, that's a lot. Just a second. I'm trying to look at gold. But it doesn't really look anything special. It picked up some liquidity on the 15-minute. Might turn into bullish maybe. Anyway, so data for opening range gaps. Wow, that's a lot of data there. So there you go, another concept to trade for the opening range gap. I never really tried that, so that's why I'm saying there's so many concepts to go with. Whoa! Darkface FX subscribed. Hey, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Is New York open today? I think it will be open. It's not a bank holiday now, but it will be. Markets are closing early at 1 p.m. I think. So still an early market close, as far as I know. Maybe I'm wrong. Sideways move for now, and we have the new hourly candle, but nothing is really moving. If I have a setup, I might take a trade on the Tradeify account. This one feels like it wants to go higher. And not just to the 914, maybe even higher, back to the midnight level. Okay. Maybe not. Back into this range again. So this was the London Open here at 3 a.m. Eastern. And since then, we're pretty much ranging. Okay. All right. I took a small long position on an evaluation account. Entry is 903. Let me put this right here so you guys can see it. No, you don't see it that way. All right, hold on. Because it's trader weight. All right. Yeah, no news. I'm just only trading evaluation accounts. Uh-oh. I was hoping that we will finally pop that high. Yeah, it's a low probably today. Nothing more than feelings, yeah. I'm okay with the feelings today, since I'm only taking very small trades and only evaluation accounts. The big candle is called Power of 3. It's on TradingView, so Power of 3. right? This one, HTF power of 3 from 2 degrees. And if I double click on it, so that's the daily candle, basically. That represents the daily candle, and I use the New York midnight level as my level, as the midnight. So this representing the daily candle helps to anticipate where we are currently throughout the day. You know, that's it. That's it. Nothing more. This doesn't really look like that it wants to go, but anyway, I tried. It's a scalp, so that's why I have this risk to reward. I might close it earlier if I don't see it happening. Yeah, they're making good indicators. Yes, they have all kind of stuff, and I'm also wanting to look into their indicators. I was reading a lot about it, and they have some good stuff going on. So okay, we're stuck. Official. It's official. You know, days like this, you have to trade small. This move was starting to look good. I was almost at profit, but now this here, this sideways action, it's just bad. Oh man. I was hoping that it will go, but it's not going. It's just, okay, maybe it will go. It wasn't going anywhere. Come on, price, do something. It has to. I don't like this. This is again like watching paint dry. The Asia session. Now, that, look at that. It was great. It was beautiful. It was actually moving. Look at how awesome was the Asia session. And London is just, it's trash right now. Maybe I should pick up Asia session for trading. Not even joking. I'm not even joking. Maybe I should pick up some Asia session trades. Ugh. Okay. At least something is happening. Now please pop those highs and just take that. Actually, take that 14 level. I might move my TP to 14. There you go. 13.75. There's the 5-minute fair value gap at 14. I'm gonna check it on the mini as well. It's even higher. Okay, so we're good. So go on and get that fair value gap, actually. Asia is good, but can turn around very fast due to low. Yeah, that's true, NPM. But depending, I guess, what kind of trades you take, isn't bad. What's the 2024 mentorship? Yeah, higher risk, or yeah, you should. I mean, I have to accept that you're going for not as much points, just a few points here and there. Oh no, come on, trade. Back to drawdown again. This sucks. So there's a good model in Asia that ICT. Oh really? I will look into that. I haven't really had the time to check the 2024 mentorship yet. I saw a couple of segments of some videos, but okay, gold made a move up there. Looks like it might want to shift. I mean gold. Here it is. 5 minutes slowly pushing back up. Okay. We'll see. Oh my god, it's such a slow grind again in London. It's just sad. The trade is slight profit. Break even-ish. Excuse me. Need more coffee, I guess. Hello, Tamas Juragat. Made my decision today. Not trading London until the end of the year, until price action. Yeah. Yeah, it seems like it's going sideways. Yeah, a lot of range. A lot of range. You have notes and everything. Whoa. That is awesome. I mean, I mean, Rob, anytime. If there's something you'd like to send me, definitely. But don't feel obligated about it. If you have my email, tomsabobiz@gmail.com, but don't worry about it. Marco, do you trade straight to funded? I'm trading evaluation right now on Tradeify. Not the instant funded yet, because I just picked up Tradeify last week. So I wanted to get familiar with TradeAwait first, and but I'm gonna go to straight funded too. I wasn't familiar with TradeAwait, and so I thought that this is a slow week, so I just picked up an evaluation. But until the sale is still going, I think today I'm gonna buy a straight to funded account too. Even Coca-Cola and the emoji recipes didn't work anymore. Yeah. Yeah, from now on only New York. Well, yeah, London. I mean, look at that. Even as I said earlier, even Asia was much better than this. It's just so bad right now, London. I want to share knowledge all the time. Yeah, let's all print money. Yeah, let's go. It's a slow grind. So as I said, I just picked up Tradeify, and I'm starting to get familiar with TradeAwait. I traded TradeAwait before, but I had to get used to it, so that's why I only picked up an evaluation. But I'm gonna go straight to funded too. Oh, yeah, just a second. My email is on the YouTube about section, but I'm just gonna type it into the chat. Just let me log into the chat. Come on, it's slow. Why is it so slow? Here we go. All right. Yeah, it's absolutely, look at this. I mean, since 1 hour and 20 minutes since the London Open. Actually, it was better before the London Open. Since the London Open, this is just poo-poo. Ugh. The thing is that I can't find a way on TradeAwait. I guess there is no way to connect my limit orders after I have put on the trade. Or maybe with the ATM orders, if I set them properly, then those are connected, and I can move the stop and the TP, right? Because if, you know, there's a power outage or whatever, you know, it takes my stop and the other order, limit order, just stays there. And that's going to be an issue. So I like to connect these. That's what you do. Okay, so I'm going to use next time the ATM orders. and they should be connected, right? So if the stop goes out, it should take out the TP level as well. It's very easy. Okay, okay, I'm gonna do that. You were looking at the 100-tick chart. We printed 6 to 8 bars. Oh my god. That tells everything, Michael. Do make sure always click the exit. Oh yeah. Pretend you guys didn't see anything, okay? This never happened, okay? Let's move on. Yeah, we're going up. Nice. Okay. What a day. It also has auto break even. Oh, that's good. That is actually very good. If it has it, that's why. This is one of the reason I'm not trading TradeAway funded account right now. I'm just not familiar with the platform yet. So I just closed accidentally my trade. I accidentally closed my trade, and I lost $2. I closed it, right? Yeah, I closed it. Okay. My god, what a boring session. How on earth did London pre-market have more range? Yeah, it's happening nowadays, par trader. This is what happening in the past 2 or 3 weeks. Asia session is actually moving more than London. So something, the matrix has changed, or the algorithm has changed. The market makers are changing the game. Yeah, it's Thanksgiving, obviously. Obviously. Yeah. I closed the trade and I jinxed it. Oh. Yeah. So 914 should be the level. But anyway, it's just this is so slow, it doesn't even matter anymore. It doesn't even matter. Can you tell me if the Black Friday promotion for 25 evals is only for the first month or forever? I think it's for lifetime. Someone on Discord yesterday was asking the same question on Tradify Discord, and I remember a mod was actually saying lifetime. Actually, I can look into it, Marco. Maybe there's still someone. Yeah, so if you use the code BF or Turkey, but BF is also Black Friday as BF, or Black Friday. It should be lifetime. It should be lifetime. If you go to the checkout page, it might tell you. Okay, let me check it out. Just a second. Oh yeah, it's per month. I'm gonna buy a few because it's down to $34 anyway, and I'm gonna buy an instant funded account too. So if you use the code BF for Black Friday, and if you click on my link, that's actually, yeah, that's $34 for the 50K account. And it's, I think it should be lifetime, man. I have no confirmation. I think lifetime, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna buy one right now. Maybe it says something about it. Okay, let's go to dashboard. Let's go to billing subscriptions. Yeah, it's it should be per month, lifetime. $34.65 lifetime. I just bought one. I just bought a Tradeify evaluation account to see if it's lifetime. It's $34 right now, the 50K evaluation account. So if you use the code BF for Black Friday, and if you would like to give some credit to the stream, click on my link. It's in the chat and in the description too. I don't have a custom code fixed yet, but $34 for an evaluation account. Morning, Zach T. Have you had payouts from? No, I did not. I had payouts from TopStep, Apex, Bulenox, MyFundedFutures, and still didn't manage to make it with ProfiTrade. That is one of my biggest goals right now, to go with ProfiTrade for payouts. And of course, I'm building accounts with MyFundedFutures, but ProfiTrade, I blew the account, but I was like $600 away. I did pay out. I received payout in September from Fast Track Trading too, before all the shit show started. And yeah, so far, so I started out with Traderify and TickTick, but I'm not sure how many more. And one more, I have one more evaluation with the Elite Trader funding, but I don't think. And this is too much already. So yeah, so I know that everybody hates Apex, but most of my payouts came from Apex, and Bulenox. So but I always requested, if I reached $1,000, I requested the payout. So yeah, there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt circulating. Every prop firm is a scam. So yeah, that's whatever. I mean, what can I say? Obviously, there are some things that prop firms are making. I mean, prop firms are also making mistakes. Even Top Step denied payouts and made some mistakes. But activation fee, I think it's $130 with Tradeify. I just picked them up last week. There's so many different numbers here, but they have instant funded accounts as well. Bulenox is good. Bulenox, you know, you have to keep the $2,600 threshold. Whoa, look at this. So you have to keep that threshold. I guess it's a good thing I closed my trade down. And the minimum payout is $1,000. So that makes it that you have to trade up to $3,600 to request $1,000. But so far, no issues with Bulenox. Can you show me how can I trade ES and Platinum? ES. First of all, Platinum. I have never traded Platinum. I don't know what's the name of Platinum and futures. The ES is called ES. ES. So depending on which platform you are, and hold on. So for example, here's on Apex, you go to CME, and here you will find ES if you go with the mini. But I suggest you go with micros, and that is going to be MES. So you scroll down. You can choose the front month, so the newest, so the current contract. You double click on it, and there you go. You have ES. And the same goes for the other platforms too. No micro. If you're asking about micro, there is micro, which is called MES. But if you're asking about the macro, which is happening 10 minutes before the hour, the same goes for ES too. Okay, so NQ spiked down. I might even re-enter if it starts to push it back up there. Who knows? But it was a nice market structure shift. So but yeah, so there is, okay, it's not here yet. not here yet. No problem. So just select MES and you will find it. As for platinum, I don't know what's the marker for platinum. I'm not even sure what's the volume on platinum, especially in London sessions. So the reason why I don't trade ES in London, because even if on a normal no holiday day, I mean the ES is just for me it's untradeable. I don't see properly the candles. Maybe the 5-minute and higher, so the 15-minute might give you something, but it's super slow, the ES in London, and I decided not to go with it until the time being. All right, what's happening? Hey Anthony, what's up? Welcome. How you doing? I'm still waiting for this candle to close. All right, enter the a long position. And let's see, what would be my target? All right, I'm targeting the 14 again. Come on, just go up there. Just go. Please. It has to go. There's a 5-minute fair value gap at 14. Yeah, I'm just scalping here because the volume is too slow. So yes, almost at the Asia high. Yeah. That can help to pull NQ a little bit higher. Oh no, it's back down. Oh, it's not looking good. Man, I was really, into the fact that it might go and take that 14 level finally. It's not gonna do it. I can see the maestro in a position sitting. Oh yeah, 4 micro. Yeah, 4 micro. But hey, there's nothing happening. Look at the London range so far. I mean, it's just terrible. We only have a 5-minute gap up there. That's what I was hoping that we would reach, but it's just almost painful. We're not that bad, but today, yeah, today is, this London session is just not doing the job. You already got a bloody nose in the open chop. Oh, yeah, then don't. Yeah, this chop here was a real chop. By the way, I always remind myself that no matter what strategy you use, it can be ICT, it can be support and resistance, it can be just some indicator. At the end of the day, it comes down to risk management, and that's all. At the end of the day, that's the only thing that counts. And I'm not saying ICT concepts are bad, or I'm not saying indicators are bad. I'm just saying that's the only thing we control here. So I see traders both in social media and I know some in person who absolutely don't trade ICT. In fact, they don't really like ICT at all. And they just trade, some of them trading indicators, some of them trading totally different, and they're making good profits constantly. So it all comes down to risk management. Oh man. This is not the day. This is just not the day. Oh. All right. It's gonna go to my stop. So I just deleted my TP level. Yeah. Yeah, then. It's holiday. That's why no funded accounts yesterday and today for me. Only evaluations right now. But next week, we're gonna dive into it. I would be very surprised if price would pop up from here. I would be extremely surprised. Gold is popping higher. That's not good for NQ. Buying long at the top and watching price go so far. Let me know when you're buying. Let me know. Okay. Yeah, it usually happens. It's mostly based on options data and correlation between SPX, SPY, QQQ, and NDX. Yeah. London is difficult because these markets are closed. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's definitely difficult right now. As I said, I would be extremely surprised if this one would now pop higher to that 5-minute gap at 14. I just don't see it happening. Just waiting. Rob sent me an email. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Thank you. Köszönöm szépen. Wow. Okay. Rob just sent me some data. From the past 5 years. Thank you. Köszönöm. Ezt át fogom nézni. Would like to see ES taking Asia high, then I'll probably go short. Maybe that can happen. But currently this is like, come on, I might have to put back my TP. Is it gonna happen? You know, just in case it would just spike up. Like, you know, those huge spikes. I just put back my TP for safety reasons. For 14. And you know what? I might go to the bathroom and take and have a drink as well, and see what's gonna happen. I'll be right back in a minute. Well, it's not working. It's not working. Maybe now it will go up. I just picked them up last week, but a couple of people had I mean, I know Methodical Man is trading with them, but he didn't have it yet. I don't know the name. Someone in the chat said that they got payouts, and some random people from Twitter, I checked them. I mean, they are paying out as far as I checked. That's all I know. Da, 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 da. Oh no. This trade is over again. Painful. Painful. How's volatility today compared to that? It's worse, Cobb. It's worse. It's very bad London session so far. Supply zone. If you wait for US to take those highs, might want to probability. Oh, I see. It could first gap down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't mind, but I sure like to see NQ making up its mind, because now it's starting to be a little annoying that it's just hovering in this area. It's a little bit annoying, to say the least. Hey, trades by Brandon, what up? Well, we have a slow London, that's what's up. And I'm just trading evaluation accounts, no funded accounts today. I'm not gonna waste any potential profit or loss. So, no, I'm not. I mean, I'm not gonna do anything unfunded, just evaluation accounts today. If this one pops back up, I would be really surprised. Now it needs to take out those lows. Gold is definitely shifted higher, which is good. But it might, well, let's see if it takes any kind of entry. or provides any kind of entry level. Yeah, let's see. The new hour is coming. Last chance for some minor liquidity, at least, hopefully to the upside. If not, then, you know, is what it is. Oh, the Euro CPI, yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Here comes the Euro CPI in less than 3 minutes. Oh, come on. This is too slow. It's just too slow. By the way, don't forget that the MyFundedFutures instant funded account, which is called the milestone account, sale is ending tomorrow on Saturday evening. So there's still a 10% discount on it. Just saying. And 91% Bulenox sale is ending tonight. So, I mean, you still have time today. Obviously, there's going to be something next month too, but... And Black Friday sale with Tradeify if you use the code BF. If you click on my link before purchase, that can give some credit to the stream. Thank you. And of course the others. Yeah, this is super boring. Okay, come on now. We have the new hourly candle. Alright, just get me off from this trade. Just ain't right. Good morning. Good to see you. How are you nowadays? Oh, what a struggle here at this level. Yeah, well, I'm glad. That's cool. How is trading so far? Oh man. Almost a nightmare. This price action is painful. Painful price action. Come on, just take me out from this. Just take me out from this. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. One push. There. All right. All right. It's okay. Oh, I forgot to, but I had no orders on, so anyway. Stay in purgatory. Trading on tilt, hey there. This is the range until, yeah, that's what's gonna happen today. Anyway, I'm not gonna do anything else. This is it. Look at this. Oh my, it's, whew. Jesus, look at the 5-minute chart. Look at the shit show on the 5 minutes. Oh my god. I can't believe we were sitting through this. What a crap. Sorry for my language here, but oh my god. Yeah, pour one out, yeah. I am actually relieved. Whew. What? Oh, so such a relief, as I meant to say. Oh. Anyway, this is it, guys. I have some more important stuff to do than this price action. So anyway, I'll be back in the New York session. I might gonna drop into Methodical Man stream as well. So I don't know which hour is that gonna be, but I'll be back and see you guys later. And you know, enjoy the rest of the day or morning or evening. Thank you so much for being here. You know, we have days like this. London is like this nowadays. If you'd like to support, please use my code for evaluation accounts or instant funded accounts. And only with Tradeify I don't have a code, but if you click on my link and use BF for Black Friday, give some credit. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go live on New York. Yes, Michael. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Take care, be safe, and trade safe. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless you all.